This unit presents an introduction to the dynamics of communication and ethics, as well as an expanded discussion of leadership orientation and managerial goals. You will focus on communication and technology such as texting, blogging, email, and video conferencing. As you go through the materials this week, reflect on how technology, such as social media, can enhance communication within an organization. In this unit, you will experience an overview of methodology for the development of basic skills necessary to write a review of academic literature, as well as a study of ways to avoid plagiarism in writing. A literature review is exactly what the title suggests. It is a review of published and available information on a selected topic. The actual review synthesizes and summarizes the credible information you have found. Avoiding plagiarism is another topic that we will venture into this week. Plagiarism is an important topic in writing for many reasons. We all know it's possible to plagiarize intentionally, but did you know it's also possible to unintentionally plagiarize? Here's to a great start in week 1.